My dear friends and colleagues, today I shall be speaking about e-waste and bromine. Now, almost half of the e-waste polymers, the discarded e-waste plastics, half of them consists of Styrenics. When I say Styrenics, I mean ABS and HIBS. ABS is acrylonitrile butadiene styrene. HIBS is high impact polystyrene. Now, the most dangerous thing you can do is to burn e-waste. If you burn e-waste, the amount of toxic emissions which are generated are absolutely toxic in nature, and the most toxic being hydrogen cyanide, which is generated from acrylonitrile butadiene styrene, because acrylonitrile is vinyl cyanide. Now, when I'm talking about bromine, bromine is a flame retardant which is used in Styrenics from a percentage of about 11 to 19%. So, or say 11 to 20%. So, this is the major issue because bromine is very toxic. Now, the problem of bromine in e-waste has captured the whole world today. People are trying to remove bromine from the Styrenics, there is the ABS and HIBS, but basically it is not a very economically viable process. Though it may make the e-waste plastic less toxic if we remove bromine, but it's very cost prohibitive. Now, if small scale industries have to work with e-waste plastics, which is the future of India, then there are some solutions which I enumerate below. It's absolutely not very essential to remove bromine from ABS in the e-waste. If we process this brominated, e-waste, then we need to be sure that we do not exceed temperatures of 200 degrees centigrade in any case. If the temperature goes above 200 degrees centigrade, the bromine emissions as a yellowish green gas comes out, which is highly irritating to ears, nose and eyes, and very toxic also, and very difficult for the workplace operator to use it. And but the point is, this can be achieved if we process this brominated Styrenics at about 190 degrees centigrade. That is, if we keep the temperature profile from 175 to 190 degrees centigrade, then this brominated ABS and Styrenics can be processed without the release of bromine. Now the question comes is, okay, we have made it, okay, so now what do we do with it? The point is, you are selling the reclaimed ABS from the e-waste to customers. Now, to customers, whose applications are totally harmless in nature, okay, certain miscellaneous goods or certain furniture or items like this, then this brominated styrenics can be sold to those applications. When the virgin brominated ABS or HIPS is made, it is priced higher because there is an additional cost of addition of flame retardants. But when you want to sell the reclaimed brominated ABS or HIPS, then you must sell at the lowest price. You must sell at the lowest price to absolutely very harmless applications of ABS and HIPS. This is one way in which the SSI in India can circumvent this problem. I have reprocessed about 23 tons of various e-waste polymers, almost 11 of them, and I found that when I reprocess this ABS brominated at about 187 degrees centigrade melt temperature, there was no release of toxic emissions, and the melt temperature at about 184 degrees centigrade showed absolutely no gas emission. So basically, if you keep your melt temperature at around 183 184 degrees centigrade, then you can process this brominated styrenics from e-waste. E-waste is the largest planet on earth. Reclaiming polymers from e-waste is very important. About 23% of e-waste consists of plastics like styrenics, PCABS, polycarbonate, and acrylic. So let's understand that e-waste plastics can be reprocessed and recycled if proper technology and proper understanding of polymer science is there. Thank you very much, Yogesh.